Guys, James here. Today we're playing a new game on the channel. It's called Cooking Simulator. Now, I have this on Nintendo Switch, but since you can play it on Xbox, why not? So I'm playing this on Cloud Gaming. So, ooh, yeah. Now, since I'm able to sprint, okay, so we need to choose something to order. We are going to order, and I'm going to cook for you something so delicious that your mouth won't even know what's hit it. It's gonna be not that. Me? Nope. No. Is this German potato salad? No. Perfect. New order. Now you just pop. You want to open recipe. Cut lemon. Cut lemon. An 80-gram lemon. Precise handling in the kitchen is crucial. Holding down LB will open up new ways to manipulate whatever you are holding currently in your hand. Now this is gonna start moving. What? Snap. Rotate. Huh? I just got an achievement for that! Perfect. Who eats that much lemon? Like, really? Okay. Actual plan. Clarified butter. Butter. I need some kind of butter here. No, not cheddar. I need butter. Aha, butter. That was cheap. Okay. Not to break that, okay. Now I just need to pop, I need to grab a pan, and I have no idea where it is. Here are these pans. Oh. Yeah. I need a pan. Perfect. One pan. First, we need to get this 30 mils of it. 30 mils. I said 30 mils, not... I'll clean that up later. Okay, do not underestimate this bottle of mead. Now I just need a good salt. Salt, 10 grams. Just need 10 grams. Perfect. Now we need black pepper. How much of this do we need? 10? Black pepper, 10 grams. Okay. Now we just need some shrimp. Those are pork chops. We need shrimp. Shrimp. Cod, no. Duck breast. Goat cheese, no. We need to get some aha, shrimp. No, not this. Shrimp. This is like only one shrimp. How many shrimps do we need? 120 grams. 120 grams. That's a lot of shrimp. 60 grams. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Yeah, sorry about that. Also, the shrimps are starting to get done. I do not want to overdo this. Done, we're done. Okay. Good. Now we just need to get a plate. The plate's basic. Perfect. So now we just need to get some shrimp. This.
Come near the store and I'll kill you.
This. This. And
kitchen too. Sweet. Get it.
what do you mean I can't get it? Okay, good. Now we just need to get some. Oh yeah, right. I forgot about the lemon. The lemon is is super needed for this dish. This. This and this. Now we just need to pop some. What do we need to get from here? Parsley leaves, 6 grams. Parsley. No. I was gonna say how much I'm using. This.
Yeah. I'm about to go outside and do that later.
This. And
1:30. At least I feel a little bit better, but I need to take a break out there. It's still way too hot.
order up. Yes! Justice, please, let's go! Okay, we got it! And I might as well get something else for them, because why not? You need dessert after you're done eating. Okay. Now.
I don't want it. Oh no. This is fire freeze. It's not.
Well, hey,
It actually helps.
peace.